Good day everyone, my name is Reggie Sinaiga. To this video, I will show you how to connect wiring using Arduino board in Tinkercad apps. I will show you light feeding, sequencing, and on-off delay installation. So, we going to our computer, then this is lead, resistor, breadboard small, and Arduino Uno. Resistor, we going to put in breadboard small, then the lid, then we're going to connect the wiring. Five volts is the positive, then ground, then the resistor we're going to connect in D9. So this is our code. Then we're going to start. Then the bulb is lighting. So you can see this. Then we're going to stop. So we have 6 resistors and 6 leads. Then we're going to put the resistor into the breadboard. Then the leads, we put the leads into breadboard small. This is a sequencing solution. Then we're going to connect the resistor to D7, D6, D5, D4, D3, and D2. Then 5 volts to the positive. Then we have a ground. No, that's our wiring. Then this is our code. I will change the color green. Okay. Then I will start the simulation. So as you can see, the bulb will light. Sequencing. So that is our sequencing installation. So the last we install are the on-off delay. So this is our Arduino. Then we have 2 resistor and 1 lead and 1 push button. So we're going to connect the 5 volts our push button. Then we have a ground. Connect to our resistor. Then resistor to our push button. Then our push button, we're going to connect this to D2. Then D13 to our resistor. Then resistor to our bulb or lead. Then lead going to our ground. So this is the installation. Then this is our code. Then start simulation. So our lead will light. Then this is our lead. Got lighting, and so that is our on off delay. So we will stop simulation, and that's all for today's video, and thank you everyone.